Made it to my girlfriend's house, finally. Got some roses. I got a sign. What is this? Sick. Will you be the Woodstock to my Snoopy? I think she'll like this. Happy Valentine's.
What's this?
It's a sign. It's roses. I got you for
Are you
Valentine's
kidding?
Day.
No. What's wrong with you? Get out of here.
Man, what the hell? What's wrong with this? I thought it was good. Whatever. All right. Well, there goes. Oh, what's that? Tokyo treat. Huh. I wonder if this will do it. I mean, this looks pretty freaking cool. It's a Valentine's Day box and everything. Hey, I know I already came once, but
I love that. Yes, I'll be your Valentine.
Don't be like me this Valentine's. Make sure that your gift to your loved one or whoever is perfect. In order to achieve perfect, Tokyo Treat Box. This is the sponsor of today's video. Honestly, I love them. I love their snacks. They're really cool. I know it's a little late for Valentine's Day because that was as of recording this, or I guess as of posting this would probably be like, I don't know. I'm late though. But yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into this. All right, I went ahead and brought out a light just so that you guys can see everything a lot more clearer. Here's the box again. Beautiful. I really like it. It's themed very well. Here's it opened. It's got a red inside, cherry red. This is nice. Got this picture right here. Same one as last time. Love is in the air and in your snacks. This month's box is packed with sweet treats and playful flavors to make your heart and taste buds skip a beat. So grab your special someone and celebrate Valentine's this month with the super sweet Valentine box. See, that's like the best way to put it. I mean, honestly. Then obviously you get the booklet. I can go ahead and show you guys that actually. So it says Tokyo Treat Super Sweet Valentine. Right when you open it, you get this little QR code, which you guys can go ahead and scan. And then you're welcome with a "Hey Tokyo Treat fam." I'll let you guys read this if you want to. And then you got this Happy Valentine's Day Heartfelt History. This is really cool. They actually include this in every single box so that you get a little bit of history and you can see where they've come from and where they're going. Then obviously you got some pages with the snacks that are in the box. So here's a couple to be shown. All right, let's start digging into this thing. So right off the bat, you're given quite a few different snacks. I mean, this compared to the last one, this looks really good. The last one also looked really good, but all right, so I'm just looking at these snacks and I mean, honestly, these are like really cool. Like this one, I have no idea what this says, but it's like a heart and it kind of looks like a cracker or like a cookie of some sort. And then you got a sweet potato pie. I didn't even realize they put pies in these things. This is awesome. If they get pumpkin pie, I'm telling you. Then you got like a latte chocolate bar. It's milk chocolate. I'll probably be trying this one. This one looks really good. And then you got other stuff. You got caramel popcorn. You got mochi. You got, I don't even know what else. There's a bunch of stuff. Okay, this is actually really cool. So this is like a pyramid, but like a packaging. This is really cool. I've never seen this before. But of course, you know what I was looking for. The Kit Kats. So these are the strawberry shortcake Kit Kats. What Tokyo Treat is known for is their Kit Kats. I mean, they do it every month. You know, it's a different type of Kit Kat, different theme. It's awesome. This theme is the strawberry shortcake. So I'm actually not a huge knowledgeable person on strawberry shortcake. I've never had it before. It looks really good. So let's give it a go. Love opening these things. The paper is so nice. And then obviously you got the little Kit Kat. Ooh, okay. Ooh, it smells very, very strawberry. I mean, like obviously, but like, shut up. All right, I mean, let's do this. I wonder if you can hear that. Can you hear that on the camera? Okay, so first thoughts on the strawberry shortcake, really good. They definitely tried their hardest to get the strawberry to taste good, and it does. It actually tastes really good. I'm really like impressed by this. This tastes really good. But yeah, I definitely recommend this one if you guys are gonna get the box. I do want to try the Ghana chocolate bar. That sounds really good. I love chocolate. I'm a big chocolate fan. So let's get straight into it. So to open, I think it looks like you just pull on that thing right there. It smells really good. But yeah, let's get right into this. All right, I'm gonna keep it 100% on with you guys. That was up there with some of the best chocolate bars I've tried, like Dove, Hershey's. I mean, that was really good. Definitely recommend that one too. I would get into a bunch of these other ones. I mean, there is so many. This thing is worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little section. Make sure you guys check out Tokyo Treats. Make sure you use my discount code Ilias Projects. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.